Hello, my name is Rusia, and today we are going to make a pair of shorts with the Lutterloh system. This is the model that I am going to make. And here we have the necessary pattern designs: the front part, the back part, the pocket, and the waistband. Take your hip measurement over the fullest parts in back and front. I have 92 centimeters. In case that the fullest part in the front is the tummy, make sure that you measure up and over it in an angle. First, attach the pattern design with some adhesive tape on a sheet of paper or on muslin. I will make the pattern with my hip measurement, which is 92 centimeters. I look for the measurement in the special sizing scale, and I insert a pin through the corresponding perforated hole. I will start with the back part of the short. I take the scale with the hip measurement of 92 and pin it in the center of the cross inside of the pattern. As you can see, the tape measure moves freely now. I line up the scale with one of the radiating lines. The first one has the number 21 on it. I find this number in the tape measure and place a dot right next to this number on the paper. I continue with the next line with the number 26 and place another dot next to that number on the paper. I continue with all the lines and numbers and make the dots next to the corresponding numbers. As you can see, I have now made all the necessary dots. On the back side of the cover that the rulers come with, you will find the instructions how to line them up for different kinds of curves. I align up the ruler as shown in the instructions and begin to connect the dots. When all the dots are connected, I transfer the symbols onto the pattern, like the A that indicates where the pattern is connected with the A of the front part, the straight of the grain, BZ for back side of the shorts, and the hem. I continue to mark about 5/8 of an inch or 1 to 2 centimeters for seam allowance. Now I sew the pieces together along the lines. Before I cut the fabric, I make sure that the pattern fits me well. Look how perfectly the pattern fits. This is the beauty of the Lutterloh system. With only a hip measurement, I made a pants pattern that fits like it was made by a professional tailor.